Okay. Are you seeing my sharing folder? Just check. Not yet, huh? Okay, so we will be doing Kaden. Sorry, it's not Kaden. Let me check who is that. If you have background noises, then you can turn off, no worries, huh? Rachel, you got background noise? Rachel? Rachel, you got background noise. Just be careful, huh? If you want to mute, it's okay, but just if you want to turn on, it's okay. Just beware, huh? Okay. Today's topic will be easier because it is all about what topics that we have mostly learned. Okay. Prime factorization, then we look for integers, okay, LCM, all that we learned before, all this. Okay, so to find the product of its prime factors, giving your answer. So this one will be, I remember I taught this in the beginning of the year where most of them are with me. 63, then divided by 3 is 21, 3 and 7. So technically you have 2, 3, 3 and 7. Okay. I won't be looking at the chat function as for now. Okay, because I'm using the screen. So if I did not reply your message and it's urgent, do let me know lah. Find the smallest possible integer value of p such that p is a multiple of 35. Okay, now when this is a multiple of 35, I know that 35 is 5 times 7, right? And 126p, the way 126 is already like we had 2 by 3, 2 by 7. Okay, so what you can do is to find out the common multiple of this first. So common multiple probably will be 2, 3, 2, 5, 7. Okay. It's a multiple. So 2, you will get 630, and then you divide by 35. And then you get down to smallest point 126. Oh, sorry, 126 p. Okay, so this one is the lowest common multiple that you found out. But then, however, the 126p must be equals to 630. Okay, so 126p give you 360. So p is a multiple, right? So p is a multiple of 360. So how to find p? 630 divided by 1 to 6, that would give you 5. Okay, for those who have not done, actually quite many of them, let me check. Hey, Elda, Kaden, you turn up already. Can you go and fill up? Okay, fill up the system's answer right now. What we do, you put it in. Based on your answer, don't base on my answer, okay? So next question, the lowest common multiple of this is 126. Find the 2 possible value of A which are odd numbers. So just now we have 126 probably, okay? We know that. Part C, I will follow from the top answer. Okay, and I have 6 and 4 also. 6 and 4. Put them into prime factorization. So what is the lowest common one that you can get from here? Which I think we look for A first. Okay, common multiple. So A, it could be 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2, and by 7, where you get your 497. Right? I should get down to this. Okay. But then he wanted an odd number. So odd number here, what we can, with our lowest common multiple is this. So which is also, we are looking for lowest common. Sorry, not this. They wanted what? This is the lowest common multiple. Okay. So then we know that this is 2 to the power of 2. It's a common one. So A could be like that. Okay. Could be lah, could be. So A could be 4. But what happened here is he say 4 is not a what? 4 is not a even odd number. 4 is an even number. He wanted a odd number. So we don't choose this. Okay. Lowest common here will be the, wait, it could be A to the, A could be, okay, then we say like that. 3, the only thing we can start from is 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. Could be possible, correct or odd. All right. So then after that, we choose 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 is the highest already. So now we have another option of what? 3 to the power of 2 times. It could be 3 to the power of 2. Don't times 2, you know why times 2 or not? Because times 2, you get an 18. So also wrong. So 18 is odd. So now don't go and touch any of the 2. Or even 2 square. Okay, for example, you don't know. You go and put a 2 square. So 3 square, 2 square. It's also even number. Oops. Then a lot of impossibilities already because they want odd number. So what you can increase for this is A, it could be 3 to the power of 2 and multiply another odd number. Can you multiply by 5 or not? Cannot, right? Because there's no 5 as a common factor here, right? So what you can do is multiply by 7. Okay, so 63 here. 63 odd number? Yes, odd number. Odd number. So correct. My odd number must write neatly. Okay, odd number. And this is odd number. So I want to highlight my answer as odd 63 and 9. Okay, so I can put here 63 and 9. Okay. Am I too fast? Are you catching up with my speed? Anyone needs me to repeat the part C or not? Because part C is more, some sort requires some application. Is everyone okay with C? If there's no response, means I assume all okay. All right. Next question. Consider the following numbers. Write down the alphabet. They want it to be alphabet. And it's in order, representing first prime numbers. So here the prime numbers here will be numbers that can be divided by 1 or also itself. Okay. All right. So which one is an odd number from here? Very easy to tell. Okay. What is the odd number here? Everyone okay, then I skip. Take a look at this. The odd number here, it could be anything here, but look at fraction 3 out of 11. It's not a number, it's a fraction here. Okay, so you cannot take that as 0.25. No, because 0.5 can times 0.5. Square root of 7 doesn't. 29, because 29, okay, I want to ask a question. If you have a big number here, 29, how do you know whether 29 is a prime number or not? How to test for that? Can you remember when set 1, big one, you actually did this before in the earlier topic? How does it sound like? We call it the prime number test. How to test for it? Okay. Let's take a look at this. First thing first, for square root of 29. So square root of 29 is what? Something 5 point something, right. For example, you get calculator lah. Square root 29, you'll be 5.38. So you know that something times something is either 5 times 5, 4 times 4, or 6 times 6. It's around that number one. So you know for sure that 29 is a prime number. Correct or not? Because There's no others. I shouldn't write here, right? I should write here. Okay. I have a square root of 29. And this one is, the square root will be 5.3 something. So it's, the nearest one will be 25. The nearest one will be 16, or the nearest one will be 36. So 29, there is no other number that can, be divided. So this one is a prime number. 12 is an even number, so you don't choose that. 81 is 9 times 9, right? So it can be divided by 9, can be divided by 1, can be divided by 81, so it's not. Then you look at 17. Yeah, 17 is a prime number. Okay. I missed out something. You see, square root of 13169 is 13 times 13. Correct? So 13 times 13, it can only time. That means 169. The answer 13 is 1 times 13 and no more else. So this one, maybe I write here 13. So this one is a prime number. Okay. Then square invigilation, square numbers here will be, they can be like square rooted. Where are the square rooted number here? 81, oh? Okay. 81, right? That's the only one, because 81 is 9 by 9. So can be square root. The rest cannot be square root. Okay. Then talking about irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers are numbers that is like with a long recurring one. Okay. So which one is the thingy called irrational numbers will be, I cannot write number. Irrational number is C. Okay, I cannot write numbers, I forgot. Then you never remind me. G, okay? All these you must write in alphabet. So, what other irrational numbers are here will be? One more. Very obvious one. Pi. Why pi? The reason pi is because it has a lot of numbers like 3.142. Now, if you come to know that this one is actually very long and unlimited one, unlimited means what? 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. Go on until the end. Not the end, no end, endless. Okay, so these are the numbers, these are the prime numbers, square numbers, and irrational numbers, the question they are asking for. Okay, all right, question? Okay, okay, let me check in the system now. You see, I didn't see yours yet, huh? Okay, Jaden, Elda, Kirana, Rachel, Ziqi, can you all go into your system, key in the answers for your homework now? Okay, if you are done, please key in. If you don't key in, then what will happen is you cannot see what is your question that go wrong. Okay. Then what is next now? Question number 3. So I need to erase. Okay. Express to 2 significant figure. So to 2 SF. Okay. 1, 2 here. Then you plus 0, 6, 4.15. Okay. 2 not, sorry, 2. SF. Sorry. SF. I thought 2 TP, Okay, hold on, 帮我转风扇一下，很热。Thank you. So this one will be the second. 1, 2, draw a line. 64. And this one say 2, SF. Okay, but the second one, I have 1, 2. Now, 0.00 something. In front is called the